Goodness. Whoa.
Lily, who is that?
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna see him. I'm gonna see him again.
Really? No. Oh no, we can't go past the fence there, baby.
Well, oh my
She's
God.
waving. She's just see her
Hi,
waving.
sweetie. Look at her ears. She's waving. Wave to
I'll
her.
sit down.
We can stand up right here, there, but we can't go over the fence, okay?
Yeah. Stand back there. Okay, be careful. Hold on. Just hold on.
31 years old.
Oh,
Said
cool.
bravo.
Look at
You see the
the
elephant.
elephant. Look at the elephant.
Say hi. Her name's Tara.
No, it's the elephant.
Why from gone with the
Elephant.
Yeah. Oh, here she comes.
She sure does.
Okay, perfect. Okay, bye-bye.
Here she comes.
Okay, bye-bye.
Lily.
The elephant say?
That is so cool.
Maybe we can just rotate her.